Let's say you need a button to appear in all of your panels within Percent POS. Here we're covering how to mirror buttons in Percent POS. A quick way to copy button layouts across multiple stations without having to rebuild them from scratch. First, log into Percent and head to the System settings. From there, go to the Setup menu. Then select Button Editor. From here, choose the station and panel that holds the buttons you want to mirror. Now click on the button or buttons you'd like to copy. To select more than one, hold the Control key and click each one. Once selected, go to the bottom of the screen and click More, then choose Mirror. A prompt will appear asking, "Mirror these buttons to which panels?" Check off the panels where you want these buttons to appear. Choose Panels and check Yes. Important note: mirrored buttons can only be edited from the original panel, where they were created. Any changes must be made there to carry over. And last but not least, don't forget to press Save. Mirroring is a great way to keep consistency across stations and reduce setup time. Try it out and make your button layout easier for everyone to use.